What you doing with your Cheerios? That's right, they're going in the cup. Oh, that one went in the mouth, didn't it? Oh, now you've only got 3 left. Yeah. Yeah, okay, what are we going to do with them now? What you going to do with them now? Can you reach it? Yeah, I see that. You got your Cheerios in your cup. Okay, you're going to take them out. Oh, we're going to eat them. They all gone? Cheerios are all gone. Yep, the cup's empty. It sure is. The cup's empty. What are we going to do with that cup now, huh? Yeah, they're gone. I know. Say, Mommy, we're out of Cheerios. Do something about this. Do you need some more Cheerios? Mommy, maybe if I stare long enough, I'll find some Cheerios in here. What are you doing? Are you trying to drink out of that cup? Look at you! You're so silly. You're so silly. Okay. Let's see if we can find some more Cheerios, okay? More Cheerios? More? Do you want more? Do you want more? You do! You want more! Okay, we'll get you more.